We'll guide you through how to fix FaceTime not working on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. FaceTime is Apple's video calling and audio calling app. With it, you can go and call others. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and fix problems you may be facing, as then you're able to go and use it. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may miss an important part of this guide. And do just be patient as we're guiding you through different fixes you can try as we're keeping this guide broad. So don't go and skip ahead as you may miss something important. First of all though, if you're finding that calls aren't coming through, do just make sure that Do Not Disturb is turned off, as that can go and stop calls coming through. Drag down on the batch in the top right to open the control center and go down, find Do Not Disturb or another focus mode. And you can tap there to go and turn it off. And then the call should now come through if they weren't previously. Now, if that doesn't fix the problem or it's something different, open your settings, scroll to the bottom, and you need to go and find the option for apps and tap there. You can always go and search at the bottom and type in apps. Now go and scroll down here and come to F, and we need to go and find the option for FaceTime. Find FaceTime, and what you want to do is try turning it off like so, then you can go and turn it back on. Sometimes doing that can go and solve the problem. Next, you want to scroll down and you can see a list of you can be reached by FaceTime at, and just make sure you have got the number or email selected that you want it to be. Otherwise, if somebody contacts you with one which isn't selected here, that's why it isn't working and not coming through. Keep scrolling down until you find the option for Apple account, and you can go and tap there like so. And what you can do is go and sign it out, and then you can go and press use your Apple account for FaceTime, and you can go and sign in again. That can often go and resolve the problem. If it still isn't working, come back to your main settings and scroll down and find general. Then you want to go and scroll down and find date and time and tap there. Make sure set automatically is switched on. Hopefully it's now working. If it still isn't, try performing a restart. Press the volume increase, decrease, and tap and hold the side button. Keep that held down, surely it will go black. We're only going to go and release it when we go and see the Apple icon. Like so, release and wait for it to start. Hopefully now the problem's solved. If you found this useful, then leave a like for more.